Thank you so much. Kids can update that information.
So today we're here in St. James Parish for our STEM Fest sponsored in partnership with the Mosaic Company and St. James Parish Schools. And we're here to engage the kids in the community in the STEM Fest, all things interacting to expose kids and give them access to opportunities in STEM. So today we have all kind of different stations for kids to engage in. They'll be able to make music with a banana to explore circuits. They'll build a propeller car that they will have to put all the pieces together along assembly line. They'll get to fly drones, engage in virtual reality, and all kind of other technologies such as a humanoid and robotics. And they'll also get to see chemistry demonstrations. So we have all kind of stations and engagement for kids to interact with and get their hands on to get exposed to all of the skills and things related to STEM in the 21st century.
As Mosaic, our mission is to help the world grow the food that it needs, and so technology is becoming more and more important in that effort. And so learning these skills and making sure that our future workforce is ready to come and work with us and help us with our mission, that's the most important thing for us, and make sure that we're helping build and grow the community that we also call home.
For us personally, we want to make sure that we're promoting science, technology, engineering, and math for the community, for the kids. This is their gateway, right? This can propel them into careers around the world. Some of these kids may cure cancer. They may get into engineering and robotics. It is their future as well.
It's really great as a chemical engineer to actually meet some of these kids who are in the position of, kind of figuring out what they want to do. And I can tell them as a chemical engineer what I do and share with them different aspects of what they could do as a chemical engineer and motivate them to pursue whatever they want to pursue and be whatever they want to be.
Cut it like this, then hot glue it, then I had to take these together, then I put some accessories on it, and then I had to get the batteries.
Part of the room near the green pop-up. Continue with my hand.
Thank you, Mosaic!
Runs off the parking lot, and then it runs into the